Just look at this Instagram account, it has gained over 6 lakh followers. And his videos are getting millions of views. And what is he uploading those viral human flying videos? In this video I will tell you how to create these videos using AI. So hit the subscribe button for more viral niche. Let's start. Open ChatGPT. Click on Explore GPTs. And search Flying Human Generator. And open it. Click on Start Generator. ChatGPT will provide you 10 video ideas. Choose the one you like. For example, I choose 5. GPT will provide you 1 image prompt and video prompt. Copy the image prompt and open Magic Hour and select AI Image Generator. Paste the prompt and select Nano Banana 2 and click on Generate. Here is what mine look like. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Select 15 second. Upload the image. And paste the prompt. And start on Generate. Enjoy the final result.